What do you want out of life?
I don't know. To be happy?
To be happy.
I want the American dream. I want to be happy.
I am the only problem I will ever have. And I am the only solution.
Welcome to my channel. You don't know, it's the girl Melika Skylife in the building. Yo! I want to damn that glow though. Guys, just a little quick topic I want to talk about, because it's the new year now. By the time you're seeing this, it's gonna be 2018, you know. And in the first part of the year, people, well, individuals normally make a New Year's resolution. I don't believe in New Year resolutions. I believe in no resolutions. So say for instance, today is December 29th, right? You have some stuff you want to achieve. You write down those now, and you start working towards them. Why wait until a new year? What if your new year not come? What if you're dead before the new year and I go work on your goals and your dreams? So I'm a person, I always have notebooks. And I always get punky. Well, make a punky notebooks for write down our goals, you know, your goals, your ideas. I'm a person who always love to write. From I know myself, and little thing I jot it down in terms of a goal, because I want to always be working towards them and, you know, try to be better than I was. So I'm gonna write them down, whether it be February, March. I'm not gonna wait until January 1st to make resolutions, you know, because you should always be working on yourself to become better. So I don't believe in New Year's resolution. I believe in all year round resolutions, because there are always things that you want to work on as a person, you know. So leave a comment below and tell me if you believe in New Year's resolutions, or how you set your goals, what you want to accomplish, or you do it if you just wait until January 1st to actually set them, or you just do it all year round. Later.